everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another grocery haul and meal plan video. I'm going to do like last week and start with the grocery haul first. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all three programs on my channel. So I actually physically had to go to Walmart today. I don't think I've been in that store since like the beginning of March, but our Aldi is getting a makeover. So let me show you what I got from Walmart. And this was $122. And so before I get started with this, I just want to ask, if you like these type of videos, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button. It definitely does support my channel and I greatly appreciate it. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to start down here with fruits and vegetables. I got some blackberries, some blueberries, some broccoli, which was actually, these are like really small heads of broccoli. I got red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper, some green peppers, some on the vine tomatoes, which look really good. A couple cucumbers, and I also got a rotisserie chicken and some mandarin oranges, and as you can see, I've already opened them. The reason being is by the time I got done with work and went to Walmart, we were supposed to do homemade pizzas tonight. And by the time I got home, because they moved everything around in the store, so I was there for like over an hour just for this little bit of stuff that I got. And so I was starving when I was at the store. So when that happens and I'm at the store, I always pick up a rotisserie and some fruit. So that way when I get home, that's going to be my dinner. And that's because the minute I get home, I'm going to want to be snacking on something. And if I don't have something that is good in points, then I'm probably going to just grab whatever just because I'm so hungry. So that's what happened. That's why I have those. So I already dug into that and already had a mandarin orange. So that is it for the 0 point food. Oh, and then 0 points. I also got some bird's eye mixed vegetables and sweet peas. I haven't had those in a while. I don't know why. I guess I forgot about them. So that's it for the 0 point fruits and vegetables. And then I got some bacon. Usually I don't get this kind. I usually get, you know, regular bacon from Aldi, but since they were closed. But this kind is fully cooked. I'm going to be using this for lunches this week. And that is 2 points for 3 slices. I also got some more of the gravy. We like this gravy on French fries. This is the savory beef, and you can have, where is it? You can have 1/8 of a cup for 0 points or 1/2 a cup for 1 point. They also had the bistro, how do you say it? Au jus, something like that. And that is 1/8 of a cup is 0 points, and then you can have 2/3 of a cup for 1 point on that kind. And then I got some steak fries. I really like these steak fries. These seem to be like the lowest in points that I found. When I scanned these on Purple, they still scanned out at 3 points. Personally, this is just me personally, if I'm on Purple, I would count these as 0. So I'm not really sure because I don't follow Purple, so I don't know if there's some things that don't scan on 0 or what the reason is. But these are really pretty plain. They're not like seasoned. So there's no sugars, no added sugars. So my Purple peeps out there, put down in the comments for other people on Purple, if you wouldn't mind, to say what you would count these at. I'm just saying for me personally, I would count these as 0. All right, they did not have the rice that I usually use, which is like the brown rice, wild and brown rice. So I got this garden vegetable with peas, carrots, and corn. That looks really good, actually. And this scanned the same. So it's 6 points for 1 cup or 3 points for 1/2 a cup. I got some Velveeta shreds. I got mozzarella and Mexican. Those are 2 points for 1/4 of a cup. I got some Velveeta slices. Those are 1 point for 1 slice, or two slices is 3 points. I got some Laughing Cow cheese. I haven't gotten Laughing Cow cheese in a while, and this is 1 point for 1 wedge. Or I was getting ready to say it was 3 points for 2 wedges, but since I haven't bought it in a while, I rescanned it, and it's coming out 1 for 1, 2 for 2. So I don't know if something changed on that or what happened there. So just a tip for anybody new to Weight Watchers, to WW, when you start scanning stuff over and over, you're gonna know your normal things that you eat. Like, I always know, I don't usually have to scan these. I always know it's 1 for 1. I know what my cheese is. But I will say that if it's been a little while since you've scanned something, like for example my bread, I know this bread is 1 point for 1 slice or 2 points for 2 slices, but I did go ahead and scan it today just because I haven't scanned it in a while, and I wanted to make sure that it's still scanning the same. So just a tip for anybody starting out. So anyway, that is coming out 1 point for 1 wedge or 2 points for 2 wedges. So that's a little bit exciting. I got some ground turkey breast. This is 0 points on blue and purple, 1 point on green for 5 ounces. And then I also got, this is not low in points. This is the 85% lean ground turkey, but the reason I got it is because it was on clearance for $1.79. So I just kind of couldn't turn that deal up. So what I'll do with this is I'll probably mix it with turkey breast when I make different recipes. Or I may end up using this for like if we make homemade turkey burgers or something. So this scans at 6 points for 4 ounces. And I also got, look what I found, my Maple Grove Farms sugar-free syrup. This is my favorite kind. I haven't been able to find it lately, probably because I haven't gone to Walmart lately. You can have 1/4 of a cup for 0 points on that. I got some creamer. This is the creamer we like, sugar-free French vanilla creamer. And I forget what you can have on this. I just know for me, I can have 80 grams is 2 points. Anything more than that becomes 3 points. And look what I got. So I got some pretzel crisps. I'm going to try to control myself. I'm going to try and portion them out. I like the pretzel crisps with the Laughing Cow cheese. So I'm going to try that this week as a snack. I will say when I follow up next with my meal plan, you will not see that listed on there because I actually did that meal plan right before I went to Walmart. But I'm just, the way that I'm doing it on the video, I'm doing the grocery haul first. So on the meal plan, you're not going to see that, but just keep in mind that I am probably going to try those this week, and I will try to make sure that I use portion control. All right, moving on. I got some Prego. This is our favorite kind of pasta sauce. This is a little bit higher. It's 3 points for half a cup, but that's the kind we like, so that's what we have. But they do have a no sugar added one, which is 2 points for half a cup. And then this is the Great Value brand of the Rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies. So I got a couple of those. And found some sugar-free G. Hughes honey mustard sauce. So I am anxious to try this. I've heard a lot of people talk about this. This one is 0 points for 1 5/8 of a tablespoon. So if you want to get every single bit you can, 1 5/8 of a tablespoon. But you can also have up to 5 tablespoons for 1 point. So anything under 5 tablespoons is 1 point. Once you hit that 5, it becomes 2. I needed some sandwich bags. I try to use my reusable bags most, but we do need these occasionally. Got my husband's Chex Mix. Those are 4 points for half a cup. I got some of the Olay Extreme Wellness wraps, 1 point per wrap. As I said, I got my bread and I did rescan that, 1 point for 1, 2 points for 2. Got some Thomas's English muffins. They didn't have the high fiber kind. The high fiber kind is just 3 points, but all they had was these, so that's 4. And some eggs, and of course those are 0 blue and purple, but if you're on green, those are 2 points each. So now I'm going to move on to my very small Publix haul that I actually got Wednesday. So I'm going to insert that clip in here, and then I'll move on to the meal plan. All right, everyone, so it's actually Wednesday. I did a very tiny Publix haul this week because I wanted to get a couple things that are on sale, and their sale runs Thursday through Wednesday, so I wanted to catch it before they weren't on sale anymore. So let me share with you what I got. One thing they had on sale was the Publix oven roasted turkey breast, and this went on sale for $6.99 a pound. So I got 2 pounds of this because we are going to be having that for lunch next week. So this kind is, since it's oven roasted, this is 0 on blue and purple and 1 point on green. And then the other thing I got that was on sale is more of the brown sugar salmon, which I'm just going to throw it in my freezer for the next time I have this. But this was really cheap this week. It's normally $7.99, I think, a pound, and it was $3.99 a pound this week. So I went ahead and got some more of that. Now this is not the 0 point because it's brown sugar. It's like marinated in brown sugar. So when I make this, I just count it as 2 points on blue. So if you're on purple, you count it as 2 points. And then on green, of course, you have to add in for the salmon. And then we got a couple more things of the pudding. These are 2 points each, sugar-free chocolate pudding. We got these cottage cheese cups. We like these because they don't get real watery. These are 2 points each. And then needed some more sweetener. This is like the Publix version of Splenda. And got a couple cans of pumpkin just because it's that time of year. Got some Diet Coke. We actually got 3 things of Diet Coke. We have 2 of them out in the garage. So 3 of those. And some bananas. And then my husband's gum. And the total we spent on this was $57. Alright, so here's my meal plan for the week, and I used my other meal plan this week. I kind of wanted to try it out, and I don't know which one. I think I like this one better, even though I don't normally do Saturday and Sunday. I don't normally plan ahead on those days, but this one seems like it has more room to write to me. I write sometimes kind of big, but I do like that I can, you know, do the arrow over because I have the same breakfast and lunch 3 days, which is just my preference. I like to have the same thing for 3 days because I really look forward to it. Honestly, come Thursday, I'm sometimes upset that I won't have more, except for last week's oats. We won't go there, but that's completely up to you. Again, this is just a guide to show you how I do mine, but you can meal prep however you want. You definitely don't have to do it for the 3 days like I do. So I don't know which one I like. I'll have to play around with them and see. But these are all listed on my website. I'll put a link down below. So if you want to download one of these and print them out, they are free. You can just go to my website and download them. There are 2 meal plans, 2 different types of meal plans. One that's Monday through Sunday. This one that is Monday through Friday. And then there's also a shopping list and I think like a to-do list. So if you're interested in those, look for the link down in the description box below. So let's dig right in. This week for breakfast prep, I'm going to do breakfast bowls. I think I'm probably just going to do my chicken sausage breakfast bowls. Those are 4 points for blue, 1 point for purple, and 8 points for green. And those, of course, will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, I'll probably just do a breakfast muffin. I'm actually going to be home this week, Thursday and Friday. I'll be in the office Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so it works out perfect. So Thursday morning, I'll probably just take a break from my work and throw together a breakfast muffin, just my bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast muffin that I do in the microwave. And then Friday, I will do my BECHAFFLE on my little mini dash. And that's 1 point. So the muffins are 5 points for blue and purple, 7 points for green. And then the BECHAFFLE, it's called the BECHAFFLE. It's basically bacon, egg, and cheese on the Dash waffle maker. And that's 1 point on blue and purple and 3 points on green. Lunch prep this week. I'm going to do turkey and bacon paninis. I got inspired by this from when we had BLTs the other night. If you watched my weigh-in video and my meal prep review, I showed that one night for dinner we had BLTs and I put turkey and avocado on mine, and that was so good. And then my husband the next night was talking about our panini maker and our press, that we haven't had paninis in a long time. So I am going to make those for lunch, and you actually can press those and freeze them if you want. So I'm actually going to just put mine in the fridge. They're usually good after you press them. They're usually good in your fridge for 2 to 3 days, or you can pop them in your freezer, and then that way you just pull them out and let them thaw in your fridge overnight. So completely up to you. I'm assuming these are going to be 5 points on blue and purple and 6 points on green. I'm going to use the 1 point bread. That's the 1 point for 1 slice, 2 points for 2 slices. And then I'll put bacon, turkey, and I'm kind of thinking I might spread some avocado on there, but I haven't decided. So those are going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And again, not really sure exactly how I'm going to be making those. And I don't normally know until Sunday comes. And then Thursday, I think I'll be home. I think I'm going to throw together a cucumber turkey stack, which is, it's just basically cucumber, and I gut it out and put turkey in there. I'll probably throw some cheese in there too, so that's where I'll get the 2 points from. And Friday, I think I'll do a tuna lettuce boat. That is basically tuna in like a boat of lettuce. You can usually get like the green leaf lettuce. I think it's called butter lettuce. It's kind of comes like in a cup. The lettuce actually looks like a cup. So I just plopped some tuna in there, and that's going to be 2 points. For my dinners this week, on salmon night, which is Monday night, I've been rotating salmon. I have usually four different kinds of salmon that I rotate, and I think we're up to garlic parm salmon. So that's the one I'm going to do this week. That's 2 points on blue and purple and 10 points on green. I'm going to pair that with the 90-second ready rice for 3 points and broccoli for 0. Of course, if you're on purple and you want to use brown rice, then your rice would be 0. So if you're on purple, that would be a 2-point dinner. Not too bad. On Tuesday night, I'm going to do KICKIN chicken parm, which is basically like chicken parm, but instead of marinara, I use the Rotel tomatoes. So that's what I'm planning on that night, and that is 4 points on blue and purple and 6 points on green. I'm going to pair that with roasted potatoes, peppers, and onions. So good. You just dice up some potatoes and put some peppers and onions on a tray and put them in the oven, roast them all together. So good. And I'll probably do 3 points worth of the potatoes on that. So those will be 3 points for the roasted potatoes on blue and green, and then 0 on purple. Wednesday night, I'm going to do barbecue glazed meatloaf. That is 2 points on blue and purple and 3 points on green. And then I'm going to probably pair that with mashed potatoes, and I'll probably just use the little instant mashed potatoes that come in the bag. And those are 4 points, and Brussels sprouts for 0. That usually makes enough for 2 nights, so I will end up having meatloaf the second night. Sometimes we don't actually have potatoes and vegetable with it. Sometimes what we do is just kind of put some meatloaf on bread and just kind of make a sandwich out of it. So I'm not really sure exactly how I'll do that. And Friday night, I'm going to do chicken bruschetta pasta. I have not made this in quite some time. That is 6 points on blue, 1 point on purple, and 9 points on green. And probably just my norm, fruit for 0, the 2-point sugar-free pudding cups for 2, and popcorn for 3. Sometimes throughout the week I do have some different snacks. My husband has Chex Mix, and sometimes I will pull out some of the pretzels out of his Chex Mix and have those. And so there's different things that I sometimes have, just depends on my mood, but for the most part, those are the staple snacks that I have. So that's it for my grocery haul and meal plan this week. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy.